So greetings students. In this module we will discuss about more numericals of heat energy released by the particular instrument. In these numericals we will use the Joule's law of heating, which is H is equal to I square RT. So we will solve them one by one. Again, what is given and what we have to find. So read the statement. Calculate the heat produced when 96,000 coulombs of charge is transferred in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 वोल्ट. कि हमारे पास कितना चार्ज है 96,000 कूलम, ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है कितनी देर के लिए 1 आवर के लिए, कितनी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस में से 50 वोल्ट में से. सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. अगेन राइट Q इज गिवन 96,000 coulombs and charge transfer for time 1 hour converted into seconds, 60 into 60, 3600 seconds through a potential difference V is 50 volts. So now we have to calculate the value of H. And what is Joule's law of heating? I square RT. I stands for current, R stands for resistance and T stands for time. So what is given? I we have to calculate, R and T. So T is given. We have to calculate first I and R. So first we will calculate the value of I, and all of you are aware what is the formula for I. I is Q by T. What is the value of Q? It is given. Time is 3600 seconds. So by solving this, what you will get? 26.67 ampere. So this is the value of current that you will get. Next is second, we have to calculate the resistance. So by using the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, R is equal to V by I. What is the value of V? 50. What is the value of this? 26.67. So value of R that you will get is 1.87 ohm. Now we will apply the heating effect, I square RT. What is the value of I? Already calculated, 26.67 into 26.67. What is the value of R? 1.87. And what is the value of time? Should be converted into seconds, 3600 seconds. So by this you will get 4788400. This is in joules. You can also convert it into kilojoule, divide by 1000, 4788.4 kilojoule. So this is how we can solve the first numerical. So given Q, T and V, 96,000 coulomb, time is 3600 seconds, potential difference is 50 volt, and we have to calculate heating effect by using the Joule's law of heating, I square RT. It will be easy if you every time use this formula. So I square RT. T is given in this statement, I and R we have to calculate according to the given values. What is the meaning of I? The rate of flow of charge. Charge is given, time is given. So by this 26.67. Next we have to calculate the R. R by using Ohm's law. Potential difference is given. I we have already calculated. The value of R is 1.87 ohm. Next is by applying the Joule's law of heating, you will get 4788.4 kilojoules. So that's how you can calculate for the heat produced when the statement is given in terms of charge. So I hope this numerical is clear to everyone. Now we will move to the next numerical, and again read the statement carefully. And what is the statement? How much heat will an instrument of, तो निकालना क्या है? How much heat? So heat energy we have to calculate will an instrument of 12 watt. So what is this? 12 watt is what? Power. So next is produce in 1 minute. So time is given 1 minute. If it is connected to a 12 volt बैटरी, तो हमारे पास क्या है? पावर है, टाइम है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है. What we have to use? I square RT. So check what is given. So हमारे पास टाइम के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हमको क्या क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? I कैलकुलेट करना है और R कैलकुलेट करना है. So by simple formula of power V into I, you can calculate the value of I. What is the power? 12 volt. What is the potential difference? 12 volt. Sorry, power is 12 volt. Potential difference is 12 volt multiplied by I. So I is equal to 12 by 12, 1 ampere. So why I have used this formula? Note the Ohm's law, because power is given and potential difference is given, and the formula for power is V into I. That is why I have used this formula. So current we have already calculated for this. So this is done. This is done. Only thing that left is R. So we have already calculated the current. No, we are having current. We are having. Now we will use the Ohm's law to calculate the resistance. So R is equal to V by I. So what is the value of V? 12. What is the value of current? 1 ampere. That will be R. So R is 12 ohms. So we have all the parameters to calculate the heating effect. I already calculated, R 12 ohm calculated here, T it is given in this statement. So next step is, by using the Joule's law of heating, we can calculate the heating effect. What is the value of, what was the value of current? 1 into 1 for the square. What is the value of resistance? 12. Now what is the value of time? Time is given in minutes, so convert it into seconds. So 60 seconds, 720 joules. So that's how we can calculate the heat produced in this case. You can also calculate in kilowatt hour, it's your choice. So H is equal to I square RT. I is 1 ampere square, 1 into 1, R 12 ohm, time given 1 minute, converted into seconds, 720 joules. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone, the second numerical. Now we'll move to our third numerical. In third numerical, what is given? A resistance of 40 ohm. This is the resistance connected to other resistance. So R1 is 40 ohm, R2 is 60 ohm, are arranged in series. That is why I have designed in draw the diagram in series across a 220 volt power line. So 220 volt power line, R1 is 40, R2 is 60 ohm, and they are connected in series. So total resistance will be equal to R1 plus R2. 40 plus 60, that will be 100 ohm. So the total resistance is 100. I will write only the total resistance. I hope it is clear how it is calculated. So total resistance is 100 ohm. So resistance of 40 ohm and one of 60 ohm are arranged in series across a 220 volt supply. So find the heat in joules. So what we have to calculate? Heat in joules. So I square RT. Find the heat in joules produced by this combination of resistance in half a minute. Time is 1 by 2 minutes, or if you convert it into second, it will be 30 seconds. So in this formula, R we are having, T we are having. So R हमारे पास है टोटल 100 ओम, टाइम है हमारे पास टोटल दैट इज 30 सेकेंड्स. व्हाट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट? हीटिंग इफेक्ट. बट आई की वैल्यू क्या है वो हमारे पास नहीं है. सो बाय यूजिंग द ओम्स लॉ, V इज इक्वल टू आई आर. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ I. तो I इज इक्वल टू V बाय R. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ V? 220 वोल्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ R? 100. So 22 by 10 ampere. I am not solving for the sake of calculation. Next is, so we have all three parameter. H is equal to I square RT. What is the value of I? 22 by 10. 22 by 10. What is the value of R? Total R and time. So this is how you can solve this. By solving this, what you will get? 14,520, and what is the unit? Joules. So that's how you can calculate for heating effect if it is specifically asked in joules, so be careful about the time, because in this we converted the time into seconds. If it is in specifically asked in kilowatt hour, then you have to convert that into kilowatt hour. If it is not given in kilowatt hour, so it's your choice, you can either calculate in joules or in kilowatt hour. So इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लाइंसेस, कि अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लाइंसेस के बारे में पूछा हुआ है तो स्पेसिफिकली गो फॉर द किलोवाट आवर। इस तरह के क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में दे रखा है कि उसमें से 96,000 कूलम चार्ज इज पास 1 आवर थ्रू ए पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ऑफ 50 वोल्ट। सो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल इट्स बेटर यू कैन कैलकुलेट इन जूल्स। सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज कि कहाँ जूल्स में कैलकुलेट करना है, कहाँ किलोवोल्ट में यूज़ करना है। इफ़ देयर आर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लाइंसेस, देन कैलकुलेट इन किलोवाट आवर। इफ इट इज़ गिवन इन सिंपल दिस टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल कि सर्किट है या कंडक्टर है या रजिस्टर है, ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट इन जूल्स और आइदर specifically asked in question similar to the third part. So these are the few of the numericals of heating effect of electric current. So thank you students.